What do you want, puppy?
Little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took.
Anyway, what I was trying to say before I really got interrupted by my dog. Today is Friday and it's my day off. I'll be home the whole day. I'm literally recording with my new camera, so I'm really excited. I hope the quality is much better. Sorry if there's a huge difference, because during the week I was recording with my phone because I sold my old camera. So, and then now it might just be a bit different. I'm sorry about that. But today's Friday. I barely recorded yesterday. I think I only recorded when I was on the train back. But now I have a full day and I have a lot of things to do today, so I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout my whole day. Why is my necklace like this? I'm literally about to make breakfast. I think I want some pancakes, but at the same time I want a full English breakfast. Roy, what's your problem? So I'm like I'm not sure, I haven't decided, but anyway, I will show you guys what I'll be having. I need to get some coffee. I don't know what's wrong with him. Anyway, I'll show you guys later. Okay guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's just a English breakfast, very thingy one. Some water and some coffee. This is not what I usually eat, but because I haven't had breakfast in so long and I really wanted English breakfast, so that's why I got this. So, and some coffee. Amazing. So I'm gonna just eat this. I literally just been tidying everything up. I removed my bedding. I'm gonna just leave it like that for some fresh air. There's a pile of clothes here that I literally just put them away. So that's all done. I need to clean the dust from there and just make these two things need to just disappear. I need to tidy that section too. Socks going to the wash. And then also here guys, I want to literally fix all these products. Literally is an absolute mess. Hey guys, so now I just got ready. I literally just fixed my hair a little bit because my baby hairs were just awful and I need to wash my hair. So I just put some foam shampoo here so I could literally look decent. And then I just put this jumper on, and then I have some leggings and this scarf. But yeah, I'm just gonna go with my mum to some work thing, and then I don't know what else she wants to do. I think that's it, because to be honest there's not much you can do because we're now on lockdown. This is lockdown day 2, by the way guys. It's Friday and lockdown started yesterday. We are on lockdown number 2 and today is day 2 of lockdown. And yeah, so obviously everything else is closed. She kind of just wanted to go fix my little cousin's phone. It has like water damage, but I think the shops will be closed, but we're still gonna try and find out because like we know not everything is closed. But that's about it, so I'll kind of show you guys if I can. I've got my mask, so yeah guys, wear your mask and stay safe. Guys, my mom keeps buying stuff on marketplace from Facebook. She just came to get something. I think she's very disappointed. Hold on. She didn't get it. Então. Yeah, she put it was like a big thing and it's like a tiny one apparently, and she was just like, no, that's not what I want, so she didn't get it. Oh my God, this is funny. She keeps getting these things. She says it's the size of my camera. And she was saying like on Christmas when we, because it's like a thing and then you cover it with it. She was like on Christmas when we make like the cheese platter that we usually make, she said once it's left so it's like it doesn't get dry, she'll put it on that, and that thing is like so tiny. I was just laughing by here, but like literally watching her through. Why do I have my mask? I was literally watching her through the car window and it was just funny. Oh. Just got home and now I'm going to finish cleaning my room and then shower. No, I'm gonna have a bath and wash my hair and so on. And guys, I did mention that I was going to carry on from the vlog I started this week on my phone, but the quality is completely different, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to start from today's vlog and then carry on through the week. So this vlog will start on a Friday, like you know, it's Friday today. And I don't know if I'll just have just a Friday one or if I'll have like everything like from the weekend and stuff. I'll see what I do, but maybe I'll either have a weekend vlog and then start again on Monday. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. But yeah, that is it. I'll go and finish my bed. Can't wait to do my bed. Looks like. So here I have like most of like creams and stuff like that I use for my body. Then pardon me, I put some sunglasses here and some things that they need to be out, and then I've got some bags in there, some important papers that I need access to all the time. I put some more bags in here because this is so full. Then I've got my glasses in there, and then just boxes of stuff in here. I need to sell the dress that's in here, and that's it. This is done. I also cleaned this section here. So here I have some medication there, some random stuff, my glasses, and I got some books here, which is the ones I'm reading lately, and then some couple more stuff in here. And then down here I just have a bunch of stuff, papers, candles, smelly stuff, and these are phone cases, and these are the stuff I used to edit my hard drive and my headphones, and that is all. Yeah guys, I haven't even showed you guys what it looked like, the thing that my mom made. It kind of fell apart, but it was so nice. Like, it was so nice, but like it opened, but it was still lovely. Like, it was so nice. And yeah, so I finished everything I was doing. Like, my room is pretty much done. I've cleaned everything, which I really wanted to, so I love that. Now I'm just gonna make some salad. It's now 6:30 and we eat early, so I'm gonna make her some Caesar salad. My mom made the chicken earlier today. I think I showed you guys. So now all I have to do is just make the salad and stuff. She just wanted to make the chicken, so she done it, but that's fine. So I'm gonna make the Caesar salad. I'm gonna show you guys, and then after that I can literally go. Why are you crying, baby? I can literally go and wash my hair and have a bath, and then I can chill, do some work. I need to edit some website, and I need to finish some posters that I'm doing for work, so I'm gonna be doing those things. And yeah, that is pretty much all I'm gonna be doing. And now I still have to wash my hair, blow dry it, have it set. I think I'm gonna do some braids next week, but I haven't decided. I have decided what I want, but I'm not sure if I have enough hair. I have to check. I'm definitely mixing some hairs, but I might have to order some online. So if I have to do that, I'm just going to have to check because of colors as well, and I never know which color I am. And I did have the color I used last time. It fit nice, but I think I want to have like mixed, and at the end maybe really blonde. I don't know, I might have to buy like half brown and really blonde at the end, and then mix with another blonde. I think I'm going to do something like that. I think it'll look really nice, because then it would just look different, like nobody else has the same. Do you get what I mean? If you mix different type of hairs. Why is Snorri? Look at him, guys. What do you want, puppy? This is all you want, right? That is all you want. But yeah guys, let me make the salad now, and yeah, and wash my hands. Guys, I literally couldn't finish showing you guys my salad because my memory stick finished. So yeah, this is my salad today. I'm sorry if the lighting is not the best. I'm literally going to cut my hair now. I was in the toilet doing my hair, but what you call it, the memory card got full, so I couldn't finish recording what I was doing, but that's okay. I'm gonna obviously use hair scissors, and I literally need to cut all of this. So I'm just gonna like brush my hair a little bit better, like down. I literally brushed my hair all the way down, but I'm gonna do it a little bit better.
Never wanna second guess, but when
waiting for that. It's now 10 to 2 in the morning. I'm so tired, literally falling asleep, so I'm literally gonna go to sleep now. And I just wanted to say, guys, I'm literally going to end the vlog here. If you watch all the way here, definitely make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know what else you'd like to see down below. Please do follow me on my socials. I'm always active there, and you can keep in touch with me easier. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, because I'll have loads more videos coming in the upcoming month. Stay safe, guys. Definitely wash your hands all the time. Have washed clothes. Definitely wear a mask and stay home if you can. Don't go out unless you really have to. Stay safe for you all. It's really tough times down here, especially if in the UK or anywhere that we all in the same situation, to be honest. So stay safe. That's me. My time is kicking. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.